Thank you for choosing EasyRent software. After watching this video, you'll be able to create a property, add a building and unit. Once logged on, the first screen that you will always come up is our dashboard. The dashboard tab is where you can view your property's occupancy snapshot, financial status, and report center hot links. From the navigation bar, I want to show you our Manage tab. Currently, it is empty, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to view what a property with 1 building and 4 units will look like. From the navigation bar, please click on Setup. Next, select Property Config, and then Manage Properties. Click on Add New Property. From here, please enter your property's name, address, number of the buildings. Keep in mind, this only has to be done once. Once you have all of the property data entered, you can see that the information can be edited or added to. Now that we have the property set up, the next step is to configure a building. From the left side navigation list, please click on Building Config. First step in configuring a building is to enter in details about the building roof type and construction type. For example, roof type, let's enter tiles, tar flat roof, and shingles. If you need to edit, simply click on the trash button. Now let's begin entering construction type. Follow the same process. I will enter in a few different types of construction for illustration purposes. For example, stucco, wood panel, and cement. Next, click on Manage Building and add a new building. From here, all of the previous information we entered can be used to configure a building. From the drop-down, select your property, name your building if desired, select your construction type, enter in the number of floors, select the roof type, and number of units. If there is an inspection date coming up, you can enter that date here. Now that I have a building set up, we can configure all of our units. Unit configuration. Click on Unit Config. Next, click on Utilities. From here, you have to enter utilities. These can be ones that you pay for or any you want to enter. For example, I will enter water and garbage. Next, you can choose to enter the unit's amenities. For instance, parking spots, a dishwasher, or any that you would like to enter. Once you are finished with the unit's amenities, from the left navigation bar, click on Manage Units. From here, choose the property from the drop-down list, select the building, then enter the unit number, which floor it is on, how many bedrooms and bathrooms, the rent amount, deposit amount, and if desired, what amount of rent the market would or could bear. Next, choose the amenities, included utilities, the unit square footage, and future projects or notes if desired. Then click on Add/Update Unit. Once you click that, you will see the unit has been added. I'm going to add 1 more unit for this illustration video, then 2 more off camera. If you click on the Manage tab from the top main navigation bar, you can see how the units look once all the data is entered. From the Manage tab, I will click on View for a brief glimpse into what you will see. On the left side of the View tab, the unit's floor plan or any pictures can be uploaded. The renter's information is available under the Renter Information tab, which you will see is currently blank because the unit has not been rented. If a work order needed to be created or updated or completed, that can be done from the Work button on the Manage screen or the Work Order tab from the top main navigation bar. On the left side of the Manage screen, we created a color-coded system for the unit status. For example, gray for rented units, green for empty units, pink for down hard units, tan for work in progress, and purple for employee or manager occupied units. Directly under the unit status, we have rent status. We also color-coded this for quick reference to how the rent collection for that particular month is going. For instance, the gray boxes are units in good standing, the red box for delinquent units, yellow for partial payment received, and the green box would reflect units with credits. Lastly, under the rent status, there are 3 radio buttons in one convenient location. This will be used to add income, add an expense, or make a deposit. That concludes our brief EasyRent software configuration video. Once again, thank you for choosing EasyRent software, and we hope you're able to configure your property, building, and unit as easily as we designed the software to be used. Thank you.